In this video, I will show you how many sweat coins is a dollar. So as you can see right here, we can earn our sweat. So you just need to walk at least 3,000 steps to start earning sweat. So this means that 3,000 steps is equal to one sweat coin. So in order to see how many dollar is it, you can head over here to your browser and you can search sweat USD and you can see in here the total amount. So the converting of one sweat to USD is 0.007097 dollars. So this is actually reflected today. So if you want to see it into your own conversion or to your own currency, what you can do is you can head over and then copy this conversion. Then let's head over right here to this one. So for example, if you're in the Philippines like me, you can see in here the conversion. So let's add in here the actual amount. Let's paste what we have copied earlier. And then in here, you can see how many it is in your own currency as well as USD.